Welcome back. We have seen introduction of weak entity set. The set which don't have, which does not have a primary key is called as weak entity set. Weak entity set don't have a primary key, it have a partial key which distinguishes the set of attributes among all entities of weak entity set, and it is called as discriminator. Identifying relationship is strong entity set which have a primary key, and on this identifying entity set the weak entity set is depends. We'll see how to express weak entity set. In ER diagram, a weak entity set is shown by notified by a double rectangle. So always a weak entity set is depicted via a double rectangle. If you can see the figure, course is one entity, section is one entity. Course will have course ID, title, credits. Section will have section underscore ID, semester, year attributes. And there is a relationship set present between course section. Now, if you see closely, the section is a weak entity set. How to identify? It is shown by double rectangle, right? So, weak entity set which don't have a primary key is shown by double rectangle. Course has primary key, that is course underscore ID, which have a underline. So in a rectangle the attribute names are written inside, and the attribute which have underline is always act as primary key of that entity. Here we can see course underscore ID has rectangle, sorry, in rectangle it is underlined. So course ID acts as primary key of course entity, and other attributes are title, credits. Section don't have the primary key. We underline the discriminator of a weak entity set with dashed line. So all the attributes which are distinguishing from other attributes of weak entity set are discriminators, and those are shown as dotted or dashed underline. So section underscore ID, semester, year are shown as dashed lines, which are acting as discriminator of weak entity set, means partial key of weak entity set section. The relationship set connecting the weak entity set to identifying strong entity set is depicted or shown or notified by double diamond. So you can see there is a sec underscore course. This is a relationship set present between strong entity set course, weak entity set section, and which is shown by double diamond. Now for section, course act as identifying entity set. Course act as strong entity set. We have seen that it must have identifying entity set via a total or one-to-many relationship set. So as a section is a weak entity set, course as a strong entity set, so there is one to many, many at section side, one at course side, else total at weak entity side. So section is shown by double lines from relationship set. That's why it is total participation of section, right? The primary key for section, so primary key of strong entity set acts as a primary key of weak entity set with discriminators. So primary key for section is course underscore ID, comma, section underscore ID, comma, semester year. So by which the section as a weak entity set we can identify. So it is always based on identifying sets primary key. So primary key for section is course ID, primary key of strong entity set plus discriminators of section, that is section ID, semester, year. And we always depict weak entity set by double rectangle and relationship set between weak entity and strong entity set by double diamond.